Hey family, I hope you all are doing well. I am back again with another wig show and tell, and this wig is brought to you by Myfirstwig. The logo on the box says Myfirstwig quality wigs for beginners, and I must say their wigs are beginner friendly. They are available on the social platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Feel free to follow and check them out. If you're interested in this wig, I will leave the website link to it in the description box. When you order, they send you a pouch with 2 hair clips and a Myfirstwig rat tail comb. I also got a pamphlet with a coupon code on it that says Cherish for $40 off of orders on their site for orders over $100 and $100 off of orders that are $300 and over. On the other side of the card, it explains how to earn cash back with their company. The wig came neatly packaged in this silk baggie. In the bag, it came with 2 deluxe wig caps and a slip stating the wig information on it, which I also will put in the description box as well. Here is a close-up of the inside cap construction. This is Myfirstwig new 3D fitted glueless cap. It comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space. There are 2 combs behind the frontal with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. They inserted a 3-hook setting adjustable elastic band. The cap have a light stretch to it, and the lace on the frontal and in the nape area comes pre-cut. The hair texture feels like it's on the silky side. Now, this is how the wig comes straight out of the package. I went straight into the styling. I am using my In This Hot comb. I have it on the highest temperature setting, which is 20, and I am just smoothing out the hairline. The good thing about this wig is the hairline comes pre-plucked, the knots came pre-bleached, and the lace came pre-cut. And right now, so far, it looks like they did a great job plucking the hairline, and they did a great job pre-bleaching the knots. This is how your wig is supposed to come when you order it. So I'm showing you guys how it came straight out of the package and the steps I took to get my end results. You don't have to do the same steps, but I'm just showing you guys what I did so you guys know how I got my end results. After I smoothed out the hairline, I smoothed out the parting space. This wig came as a middle part. I'm going to leave it as a middle part. And I went in with my rat tail comb and make the middle part deeper. But like I said, the hairline looks great. I don't have to go in and touch it up with any plucking. Thank you, God. So now let's get straight into the styling. I'm going to split a huge chunk of hair in the middle, I would say of the cap kinda. And I'm going to pin that hair up and then use my Babyliss Prima flat iron on the temperature setting 410, and I'm just going in and bumping the hair really quick. Alright, so this next part could really help make or break the top of your wig. When I do the parting space area on the frontal, I like to section that off. I pin up the hair and then I use my flat iron, flatten the hair, straighten the hair, whatever you want to say. And after I straighten it, I use the Myfirstwig flyaway tamer, and this just helped get rid of those flyaways. I smooth some onto the root of the hair, and then I use the this hot comb again on the temperature setting 20, smooth out the root of the hair, getting that heat from the iron to melt the product in really well and do its job. And what is the Myfirstwig flyaway tamer job? It is to melt the flyaways away, all those little flyaways at the top. And I really like this product because it's nice and lightweight on the hair. Now look, y'all, that flyaway tamer is really about to do its job and seal it up. Look, and then the hot comb coming right in behind it to help really lay it down. And look at that. That's how you get that nice, shiny salon end result look at the top, but without it being too shiny. The same steps that I did on your left-hand side of the screen is the same steps that I went in and did off camera on the right side of the screen. So that's pretty much it. And right here is my end results. Now let's see how our end results is really looking. It is time for the wig install. And before I put the wig on, I don't have any product underneath the lace. So to get the lace to match my skin, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360. And I like to use this lace powder as a tint. And I'm going to apply some of this powder underneath the lace, but when I apply it underneath the lace, I'm only applying it to the spots that I'll be showing. So that is the parting space and hairline. Underneath the wig, I have my hair braided in small to medium cornrows, and I'm wearing a brown stocking cap underneath. When I put the wig on, I make sure that adjustable elastic band that's on the inside of the wig is laying nice and comfortable in my nape area. And then I take the wig and adjust it before my hairline or where I would like it. And here I am just using the rat tail comb and combing before the lace. So if any hair is stuck underneath the lace, I am trying to comb it out. And right now this wig is laying on my hairline glueless. Like, what? Do y'all see this? This is like wig fish. Instead of catfish, wig fish. Look at this hairline. And I didn't have to do any work. The wig came like this. Well, I'm lying. Nope, I did do work. I had to go in and straighten it and, yeah, I know, press it out. But it's okay. It's okay because they did most of the work. So the lace on the wig is longer than my hairline. So I'm going to pin some of the hair back and cut off some of that lace by the ear tabs so the wig lace can lay nice and flat onto my hairline. Even though it's already laying flat. Y'all see that? Yeah. Y'all see the magic? Wow. Even though it's already laying flat, I would like it to have a nice snug flat fit. After I cut the lace, this is how it looks glueless onto my hairline, and I must say it looks amazing. Really, really nice. But I would like the lace to be nice and flat by the ear tab, so I'm going to use Wig Dealer melting spray and spray one layer of this by the ear tab up to my temple, and then I use my blow dryer and blow dry on the warm setting until it's completely dry. I only spray one layer of this. The leftover powder on my makeup brush, I apply it on top of the lace so the lace can have a little extra blend with my skin. Y'all could see it in my face. I was like, wow, like this looks so good. It didn't even need any baby hairs, and that's one thing I love about Myfirstwig. Most of the time with their wigs, I don't add baby hairs. And now I'm just combing out the hair, and as y'all can see, the comb is going right on through. Altogether, this was the amount of shedding I got, and to me, that is on the low side. Some people, real hair be shedding way more than this, and I'm just speaking from experience, but I ain't bald. But anyway, so the shedding is low, and right here is my end results. And this looks like my real hair. This looked like I got tired of wigs and I wanted to wear my real hair, but I wanted some highlights. So I went in and added some highlights to my hair so I can have a different vibe. This is really cute. Love it. Usually I'm not a fan of chunky highlights, but I must give props when props is due. This is cute. All right, again, so this wig is from Myfirstwig, and on the website, this is their ASPECIALUNIT Highlight Brown Bob Invisible Lace Glueless Human Hair Wig, style SPE067. This is in the length 14 inches. The cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig. I love how deep the parting space is. Y'all already know how I feel about a deep parting space. The deeper the parting space, the more realistic a wig look to me. The hair has a really nice flow to it. When I move, it moves just like that. Tell it Ludacris, when I move, you move just like that. Anyway, and I love how it looks behind my ear. Oh my God, it looks amazing behind my hair. That hairline looks super realistic, and let's not forget a part of it is glueless. That is some real good lace Myfirstwig is using, and I had to let go of the comb just so y'all could see I'm not lying. I have this wig in the cap size number 2. This fits a head circumference from a 22.5 to a 23-inch head circumference. It fits really nice and snug on my head, not too tight at all. And if you have a smaller head, you are in for the clear because they do offer a cap size 1, which fits a 21.5 to a 22-inch head circumference. You can even get this wig in a shorter length. They offer it in 10 inches and 12 inches. Again, I have it in 14 inches. And you know, sometimes a lot of people don't really want that whole silky look, but they love the look and they wish it was in a yaki texture. Bam, no fair. On the website, you could get the wig in the same style as a yaki texture if you do not want silky. And yeah, that's like pretty much it. The shedding on the hair was very light. I got zero tangling, and everything was pre-done for me. All I had to do was just go in and touch it up to my liking. I love how the hairline looks. It's a really nice, supernatural looking wig. Really great for every day. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Be safe out there.